The body's an ocean, deep and wide. Her style is a woman's gentle pride, a shining shore, a sacred sight, a dream that glows in silver light. Waves keep rising from her skin, lips drink love with a secret grin. Sweet are the sounds when she speaks my name. All melodies are a woman's flame. Oh, beautiful she stands revealed. No veil remains, no truth concealed. Sky above and earth below. In her colors all secrets flow. All the colors, all the sign, all the magic, a woman's life. Even the wind begins to bloom, even the sand escapes its gloom. Who comes closer feels the sting of wounded hearts and curling rain. It's poison, yes, but sweet and kind. A lovely trap for the human mind. Forever seen, the truth is known. This sweet addiction women own. She's made to shine like coconut tree. Man, I curse by the urge to see. Those who fail to guard their soul are lost forever, lose control. This fire, this rage, this silent pain, all belong to women's name. From beauty seek, the sword appears. Desire grows, it cuts through fears. Even autumn stands undressed. Forest bare, no place to rest. This naked season softly cries without a word. A woman's sigh, final word itself becomes the dress, pulling hearts into its depth. A secret known, yet hidden still. A truth that bends the human will. You saw the shore, you thought the sea. That's how love deceives in me. The end of love, the start again, belongs to